Darlene V, and I am a chef.
And I want to bring variety into your life. So, through cooking, of course.
Make sure that you share this video because you don't want to miss anything. I'm excited today because I am making Ackee and Saltfish today. Jamaica's national dish. It is near and dear to my heart because I grew up making it, and
I absolutely love it. I love the flavors. I love everything about it. So I wanted to bring it to you.
Again, before we do, make sure that you share this out, and sharing is caring. Do different things, all right? So like I said, today we're making Ackee and Saltfish, but the interesting thing about Ackee is that before it opens up, it's not right, and it's poisonous. And it's poisonous. You can get you can actually die. You feel terrible before you die. But so what you need is for the fruit to actually open up, so it opens up at the bottom. And then you'll see prawns. You'll see these beautiful, beautiful black seeds and this yellow fleck. Well, all right, so that's what Ackee looks like, okay? And then saltfish is salted codfish. So we're starting with a large onion. So we have one large onion. If I start, and I feel it already. I feel it. Oh my gosh, I feel it. If I start the ugly cry, please forgive me, but my eyes are burning, okay? So anyway, I'm gonna chop. I told you, I can't even look at it. How about you? Your eyes hurt you? Let me know. Am I the only one that has to squint and rub their eyes every single time? So we're lighting our pan, all right? I feel the tears coming, they're coming. And then, I'm starting a fire. We're gonna put oil in the pan. I'm using olive oil. You can use any kind of oil. You can use vegetable oil, you can use canola oil, use whatever you feel comfortable with. So I'm gonna add my onions to the pan. And we're gonna have those saute. So what I do, instead of using a garlic mincer, I chop it up myself. I flatten it, all right? So I flatten the garlic, and see, the onions get me all messed up. Oh, and I want to introduce, sorry, I have my wonderful, amazing assistant to the side. Say hello. A closer look at the onions. All right, we're sauteing the onions. The caramelization of the onions just adds that flavor, adds that little tinge of sugar that you need without adding sugar, okay? Also known as green onion. We have some chopped scallion. We'll put scallion in there, okay? And then the next thing that I wanted to show you is the actual saltfish, or the salted cod, okay? So the recipe calls for 1 pound of salted cod, but you're gonna have to buy a little bit more because when you boil it down, because it needs to be boiled down because it's salty, and you need to, what is called, reconstitute the fish. So you want to bring moisture to the fish as well. So I'm flaking it, okay? And that means I'm pulling it apart into smaller pieces. If you want to cut it, you can cut it, but you don't have to. You can use your hands. And like I told you before, I don't like my hands dirty. All right, so I'm putting the fish into the the pan, okay? The fire. Alright. So we have the fish in the pan, we have the onions in the pan, we have the scallion or the green onions in the pan. So, red pepper and green pepper. So I'm gonna chop those up, alright? So we wanna empty out the seeds, and I mean, most people, when you're working in the field, they cut the tops off, but I just like to use everything. So I'm just gonna slice them just like this. I'm gonna put them in. Any questions? Make sure to comment and leave your questions. Hey Maria, how are you? Maria, which Maria? Maria D! Hey! Or actually, sorry, Xavier. My bad. I know you as D. But how are you?
Good.
Good. You gonna make some bacalao for Vic? Alright. Thanks for coming. Make sure that you share the video, okay? Make sure that you share it. Who's that?
She said hello to me.
Oh. Can she hear you? You guys say it again. So we want to put, I have what we call pimento seeds, all right, in here. And they look like pepper seeds, but they have, what it is allspice. And allspice grows on Jamaica. So it's also known as the Jamaica berry, okay? So we're gonna put the pimento seeds in this to flavor it as well. And we're gonna we have fresh thyme, okay? You can actually just pull it down and get the leaves off, okay? So just hold the stem and pull down, all right? And there we go. We're gonna put the fresh thyme. It's just so flavorful. It just adds that je ne sais quoi to it. All right, so here you go. You see it in there right now? Close up. All right. And then, like I said, the star of the show for most of Jamaican cooking is the Scotch bonnet pepper, okay? The Scotch bonnet pepper, it's not like any other pepper that's out there. It has this like floral note to it. At the same time, it's like hitting you with the spice. So we're gonna add that, okay? John, don't be upset, because I hope it's not too spicy for you. You think it's gonna be too spicy? So maybe I won't use the whole thing. I'll just cut a little piece of it, okay? And I'll put it in there. I'll chop it up and put it in there. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of onion powder and garlic powder.
Extra virgin is the best.
Because I'm in North America, I can't get the fresh ackee because it grows in tropical climates. It's originally from West Africa, okay? But we get it through cans because we love the dish so much. We get it canned, so you can find it usually in the ethnic aisle. In a can, or if you can't find it there, you can always go to my website. It is chefdarleneb.com, so www.chefdarleneb.com, and if you go to resources, then you'll be able to purchase a can of ackee if you want to try it for yourself. Also, you'll be able to get the things that I use here, most of the things that I use here that are tried and true, you can get them at a reasonable price, okay? I don't think it tastes like scrambled eggs, but, you know, I don't think so. But that's just me. So, I put it in here. Let me show you. Okay? and I'm gonna mix it up. Let me show you the final product of the Ackee and Saltfish. Doesn't that look beautiful, colorful, nice? We have the yellow, the green, just the black, right? For a Jamaican flag. We're the red, right? African, we'll go with African, but yeah, so we have the yellow, the green, the red, all the colors looking very nice.
That's awesome.
Thank you, thank you. So let's plate it, all right? Okay, and if you want to get the recipes, you can get them on my website. You can go to chefdarleneb.com again and go to the digital store, and the recipe is on there, and you'll get all of these recipes. You'll get the Ackee and Saltfish, you'll get the dumplings, you'll get the cabbage, okay? So let me show you how I'm going to put it on the plate. Have any of you been to Jamaica? We want to put a little bit of scallion on there. Scallion. And then we want to lay our thyme. So here we have the plate. Okay? All the beautiful colors, our Ackee and Saltfish for today. So thank you again for watching. If you want the recipe, you can go to chefdarleneb.com, and under digital store, the recipe will be there, okay?